This video is not about grammar. It's not about memorizing 100 words a day. And it's definitely not about studying harder. Because the truth is, studying harder is the reason most people never become fluent. This is the story of a girl named Layla. For years, she believed she was bad at English. She tried everything. Grammar books, vocabulary lists, apps, videos, courses. She learned, but she never spoke. Every time she wanted to say something, her mind froze. Her heart beat faster. Her confidence disappeared. So she stayed silent. One night, while scrolling on her phone, she heard a sentence that changed everything. Fluency doesn't come from learning. It comes from using. She paused. For the first time, she realized something. Maybe the problem wasn't her brain. Maybe the problem was fear. The next morning, she did something different. She didn't open a textbook. She didn't study grammar. She just said one word. Hello? It felt uncomfortable. Her voice was quiet. But something started. The next day, she said, I am ready. Day by day, just a few minutes. No pressure. No perfection. Just action. Something incredible began to happen. Her brain started recognizing patterns. Words didn't feel foreign anymore. They felt familiar, like meeting someone for the second time. After 2 weeks, she noticed something shocking. She understood sentences without translating. After 1 month, the moment came. Someone asked her a question in English. This was the moment she feared for years. Her old self would stay silent. But not this time. She answered, slowly, simply, confidently, and in that moment she realized the truth. Fluent people are not special. They just didn't stop. They spoke when it was uncomfortable. They continued when it was scary. They acted when others waited. That was the difference. Today, Layla speaks English. Not perfectly, but freely. And it all started with one small decision. Not to study more, but to stop being silent. If you're watching this right now, this is your moment. Not tomorrow, not someday. Today, say one word, and your new life begins.